It's really easy to make this amazing fried rice at home, a Chinese fakeaway that's actually good for you. Cook 2 skinless chicken breasts in low-calorie cooking spray for 4 to 5 minutes until golden and almost cooked. Then set aside. Stir-fry some sliced onion and carrots for 5 to 6 minutes until they're starting to soften. Then add crushed garlic, bamboo shoots and cold cooked rice. This is the key to making really great fried rice. Cold rice will crisp up and brown. Hot rice breaks up too easily in the pan and can go mushy. Then add the chicken and some frozen peas. Stir-fry everything together for 5 to 6 minutes. Fry another 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Push everything to one side of the pan, spray the empty space with cooking spray and pour in a beaten egg. Allow it to set gently, then stir until scrambled, add soy sauce and mix in with the rice. Divide between 2 bowls and eat straight away.